Alright, so it's currently Sunday. It's about like to be 2, something like that. So already did my laundry, did some errands this morning. I had to clean my shoes, so I did all that. And right now, since I'm really bored, we're about to go and help David probably do an install on a car, on his car. So this is what the quarantine does. So we're about to go and I want to film something today or whatever. So that's how bored I am. So we're gonna attempt to do that. So let's head over. So I'm almost at David's, but I'm pretty hungry, so I think we're gonna go pick up some food for myself. I called him earlier and he said that he already ate, so he said that he would go with me to pick up some food. But I also need to get some fuck, I already forgot what I needed. I needed something from Walmart. Oh, I needed batteries for my my mic for my other camera. So because right now I'm filming on the GoPro, so we're gonna probably go to Walmart real quick and get some batteries. And I also might as well get another SD card because all of my other ones are pretty much full and I'm too lazy to go through them and sort them and transfer them over. I just rather not. So we're probably gonna go ahead and do that. But there he comes. Look at that man's. Whose man is that? What's up, my mans?
What's up? What y'all up to?
So I kind of figured I need some batteries for my other my mic for my other camera, and then I figured I might as well get another SD card for this one. So I figured I can just get like what's that shit called? I can just get Carl's Jr. and then we can just stop by Walmart real quick and then just grab that real quick and then head back.
Let's do it. Sounds like an adventure in this time of crisis.
We just grabbed the memory cards and stuff and the battery, so we're gonna go grab something to eat. Well, at least I am so hungry. Can I get the number 4, please?
Number 4?
Yeah, no, number 4.
Number 4, would like to go medium or large?
I'll do medium.
And what gonna drink?
Can I do Dr. Pepper, no ice?
Number 4, medium with Dr. Pepper, no ice, okay?
Yes, that'll be all.
Okay, so it's done at the 6. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You haven't eaten since yesterday?
Nah, dude.
What the heck?
Alright, well, we just got back to David, so he's gonna move his car real quick. I need to eat. Oh, okay. And we're gonna install his side skirts, I guess, so let's go ahead and do that.
Alright, so I have these Dev Sport side skirts that I've had probably for like about a half a year. Been too lazy to install them, and you know, with this whole crisis and everything giving us so much free time, decided to try and install them today. So gonna see how that goes. As you can see, you jacked up the car, they go like right here, so that's what we're gonna try doing right now. We'll see how it goes, see how it looks. We'll keep you posted.
Also, this is our first time actually filming something like this, huh, David?
Yep.
So,
wait, my first time or your first time?
Well, both, kind of. I mean, we haven't really filmed like an install, like while we're like talking and stuff.
Nah, an install, no.
So, we're gonna see how this goes. And hopefully it looks kind of decent. Maybe I'll do some B-roll stuff.
Huh?
Maybe I'll do some B-roll, like cinematic kind of stuff, whatever. So we're gonna attempt to do this. So yeah.
We're YouTubers, mom.
So just in case the audio isn't recording from there, we're gonna also use this audio. So yeah.
So we're gonna have 2 mics?
We're gonna have 2 mics. I should get the mics that go right here, you know, like inside. So it just goes like this?
Yeah.
Really?
Just like that. Pretty easy.
Can you give me a Sharpie? So I guess this is easier because we just have to do the screws to the plastic, so I thought we were gonna have to make brackets or something, but apparently not. So it's literally just screws, so it's a lot easier. Interesting. Sorry, I thought this was gonna be a lot harder.
I don't have a Sharpie, but let's see if this yellow marker works.
Hold it there to line it up with whatever it goes onto.
Because you know how like it has a square, so they have to be lined up with the other square kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show what's under here with this other camera. So, yeah. So basically we just need to line up all this to these little squares. But it might just be easier to take off this little plastic thing and then line it up. But we're gonna attempt to just like drill the holes. So we made the markings and see how that goes. If not, then we'll just take off the plastic thing and then we'll just bolt it on, bolt on the side skirt to this and then put it back in the cart because it already has the little screws we can insert too. So we'll see how that goes.
Excuse me, sir. Let me lay on your legs.
Nah.
Esta noche es imposible si tu calor.
Alright, so I think while David's finishing up screwing all that stuff up, I'm I'm like screwing it in, not like screwing it up, David.
Huh?
I meant screwing it in, screwing it up. I think I'm gonna just film some B-roll of the car because it's pretty easy and it doesn't take two people to do it. So I'm gonna just let my man do all the work and I'm gonna record with that camera right there. So we'll see what we get.
Guys, as you see, it's installed on the car, but I'm trying to decide whether I like it or not. Kinda iffy about it.
We all thought you were dead.
Drop it down in the comments.
Scared on your back.
Okay, so it's a couple, it's like an hour later, and we're about to take it back off. You don't really like it, huh, David?
No, I think it looks funny. Me personally, I feel like my car doesn't look aggressive enough to rock it. Maybe in the future.
Yeah, so we're gonna take it back off, and maybe we'll try a different install some other day. But yeah, I kind of been watching Netflix and stuff. Well, he was working on it. I just filmed a little bit, so we'll see how this video comes out. I just wanted to have something to like put together. I've been really bored, so we'll see how long this is.